Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to do an unboxing of this Avalon spray gun, and it's called Beyond Nova. First of all guys, I want to thank Avalon for sending me this paint gun. If you saw my community post, you know what it is. Alright, let's get started. When you open it up, you're going to have your who inspected the gun. You're going to have your manual. You're going to have some extra seals, some gaskets, and your gun filter. I don't really use it, but there it is. Going to have your tool to disassemble your gun. Cleaning brush. Another brush. Your adapter for that the PPS cups. A regulator. We'll get to this in a minute. And the paint gun. And yes, this is called Beyond Nova, and that's a A-50 Beyond Nova. A real nice design, real nice finish. It does have that tulip nozzle. I don't know if you can see it. I'll show it to you in a minute. I'll put some pictures so you can see it up close. But there it is, guys. There it is. And I know that it has a 1.4 right now. And they also sent me the 1.3. Okay, you're going to use the same needle for the 1.4 and the 1.3. It's a real nice looking gun, guys. Real nice. And yes, I'm going to do a comparison with the Supernova. Let's see how they compare. Alright? But I'll be doing a review and a demonstration of this gun soon. Alright? Probably this weekend, guys. So stay tuned for that. Nice. Real nice. And that's it. That's all that comes in the package, guys. Again, there's going to be a review and demonstration on that gun coming this weekend. Alright, this will be it, guys. I know it's a real quick video, but it's the unboxing of the A-50 Beyond Nova. Thank you, guys. Subscribe. Have a great week. I'll see you this coming weekend. Like always, God bless.